Welcome to our channel. If you want to sell cryptocurrency instantly and access your funds quickly, follow this simple guide for the fastest conversion methods. Step 1. Use a centralized exchange with instant sell features like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken that offers immediate order execution at market prices. Step 2. Log into your exchange account and navigate to the trading or sell section of the platform interface. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency you want to sell from your wallet or portfolio holdings displayed on the dashboard. Step 4. Choose Market Order instead of Limit Order to sell instantly at the current market price rather than waiting for a specific price target. Step 5. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell, either as a coin quantity or fiat currency equivalent you want to receive. Step 6. Review the transaction details including current market price, trading fees, and net amount you'll receive, then confirm the sale. Step 7. The transaction executes immediately, converting your cryptocurrency to fiat currency in your exchange account wallet within seconds. Step 8. Withdraw funds to your linked bank account or payment method. Choose expedited withdrawal options if available for fastest access to cash. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.